Hi guys, welcome back. You know what this means. It's furnace time. Got a problem, got a part, gotta fix it. Time to open it up to address the issue. First of all, I changed the igniter. This is my second one. I changed the flame sensor too. This is like my third one. I used to clean the other ones I had. Heads up, take a picture of all the wires so you can remember where they are before you change the circuit board. Believe it or not, I need a special part to remove the board. Trust me, a pin is the key to this whole thing. Sounds ridiculous. I get it. I don't like it either. Let's just get it done. I don't want to argue about it. Simple task. Just pull the stem out like so. You need this pin to look like this. It has to be free of that stem. Before we begin, cut the power to the unit completely, okay? Wow, this pin actually works. It helps you separate the motherboard from the furnace, which is secured by clips. It's not screws. I can't believe this really happened. Wow. My apologies. Got too excited. I'll bring it down. Okay, use the pin like this. You put it over the clip, hold it steady, then you pull the board until the clip separates from the board. Good news, remove the second clip onto the next. As of now, I'm 3 for 3. So far, so good. Got the fourth one. At this point, take plenty of pictures. Take plenty of pictures, as many as you need. Take even more, doesn't matter. Take plenty of pictures because you're going to need something to show you where these wires go. To sum it up, if you don't have those pictures and you haven't done this before, all your hard work is for nothing and you're going to have to call in somebody to finish this job. Here's the box again. There's the part number. Keep this in mind. When you're doing this, look at the numbers on your part. Make sure you order the one that goes with your furnace. This is specific for my furnace. Remember, if you're not an expert, take pictures before you remove the wires. It's the only way it's going to work for you. Finish putting the wires back. It looks pretty good. And you know why I was able to do this? Because I took pictures. Almost ready. Didn't secure it to the furnace yet, but the power is on. Let's see what happens. Hey, igniter came on. That's a good sign. Waiting for the burners to come on. Wait a minute. What's this? Oh, no. Let's turn this off. This is a safety issue. Can't have this on the burner while this is coming on. We'll all be toast. Gotta remove this. Let's check for anything else. Okay. Looks good. Let's see. Get this out of here. All right. You don't want that or your whole house will be on fire. All right. Safe and clear. Hit the switch. There go the lights. Motor comes right on. I didn't touch on that before. Motor comes right on. That's a good sign. So we're just waiting on the igniter. Give it some time and it should come on. There it is. It's on board. Sends a signal to the igniter. Nice and bright too. You know, I probably didn't have to change that igniter. Wait a minute. It's going off. Experts, what's this all about? Hold on. There it is. It's coming back on. Bright orange. Maybe it's going through a cycle. Wait a minute. It's going off. Hey, there go the burners. The burners coming on. Man, it's working. I think I did it. Looks good, guys. Looks good. Man, I'm not a professional or a tech. This looks great. I saved a lot of... Man, I'm so excited. Okay. I'll bring it down. You got to understand how I feel, though. Let's turn the unit off and secure the board to the furnace. Done. It was easy securing it to the furnace, but taking it off is HELL, if you know what I mean. Want to check the work. Measure twice. Cut once. Flip the switch. Light is on. Let's wait a while and see if all this hard work paid off. Previously, I turned off the unit and turned down the thermostat, so we'll be waiting a lifetime if this isn't up to temp. Hey, it's better to be safe than sorry, you know what I mean? All right, let's sit back and wait for this thing to warm up. All right, there's the igniter once again. It's super bright. Telltale sign is brand new. Wait a minute, it's going off again. Is it going through a cycle, I wonder? Well, there's the igniter once again. Let's see what happens. Experts, is that normal or is something else going on? Let us know. Leave your comments in the comment section. All right, igniter off, burners on, motor on, lights on, fan on. This thing is blowing. I can feel the air. I'm exaggerating, but it's working like it's supposed to. It's not shutting off. That's a good thing. One pin saved the day. One pin. All right, we did it, guys. We did it. Be grateful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.